Class 8 Maths Chapter 8 Compound Interest. Let's discuss some question on inverse problems on compound interest. Question number 1. What sum will become rupees 5408 after 2 years at 4% per annum when the interest is compounded annually? Here amount is rupees 5408. Rate is 4% per annum. Time is 2 years. We need to find the principal. We know amount is equals to principal 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to the power n. Value of amount is 5408. Principal we need to find 1 plus rate is 4 by 100 and time is 2 years. Write 5408 as it is equals to principal. Take LCM 100 plus 4 divided by 100 raised to the power 2. Now write 5408 as it is equals to, write principal as it is 100 plus 4 is 104 divided by 100 raised to the power 2. 5408 is equals to principal. Cancel 104 by 100, we get 26 by 25. So principal into 26 by 25 into 26 by 25. Cross multiply it to find the principal. Principal is equals to 5408 into 25 by 26 into 25 by 26. So principal is equals to rupees 5000. Next question. At what rate of compound interest will rupees 20,000 become rupees 24,000 after 2 years? Here principal is rupees 20,000. Amount is rupees 24,200. Time is 2 years. We need to find the rate. We know amount is equals to principal 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to the power n. Value of amount is 24,200. Value of principal is 20,000. 1 plus we need to find rate by 100 raised to the power 2. Write 24,200 as it is and divided by principal 20,000 is equals to 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power 2. Solve this side, we get 121 by 100. Now 121 by 100 is equals to 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power 2. 121 is the square of 11 and 100 is the square of 10. Is equals to 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power 2. Comparing both sides, we get 11 by 10 is equals to 1 plus r by 100. On solving this, we get r by 100 is equals to 11 by 10 minus 1. r by 100 is equals to 1 by 10. So value of r is 100 by 10 is equals to 10% per annum. Next question, in how much time would rupees 5,000 amount to rupees 6,655 at 10% per annum compound interest? Now here principal is rupees 5,000, amount is rupees 6,655, rate is 10% per annum. We need to find time. We know amount is equals to principal 1 plus rate by 100 raised to the power n. Amount is 6,655 is equals to principal is 5,000. 1 plus rate is 10%. We need to find the value of n. Shift principal 5,000 from right hand side to left hand side. We get 6,655 divided by 5,000 is equals to 1 plus 10 by 100 raised to the power n. On solving this, we get 1,331 by 1,000 is equals to 1 plus 10 by 100 raised to the power n. Now 1,331 is cube of 11 and 1,000 is cube of 10. Eleven by 10 cube is equals to, take LCM, we get 110 by 100 raised to the power n. On solving this, we get 11 by 10 raised to the power 3 is equals to 11 by 10 raised to the power n. On comparing both sides, we get the value of n is 3 and hence time would be 3 years. Next question, in what time will rupees 64,000 amount to 68,921 at 5% per annum, interest being payable half yearly? Here amount is equals to rupees 68,921. Principal is 64,000. Rate is 5% per annum. As compound interest being payable half yearly, we divide rate by 2. So rate is 5 by 2% half yearly. Let time be n years. We need to find time. As compound interest being payable half yearly, we multiply time by 2. So time is 2.5 years. Now amount is equals to principal 1 plus rate by 100 raised to the power n. Value of amount is 68,921 is equals to principal is 64,000. 1 plus rate is 5 by 2 divided by 100 raised to the power time is 2n. Shift 64,000 from right hand side to left hand side. Now solve this, we get 5 upon 200 raised to the power 2n. 68,921 is the cube of 41 and 64,000 is a cube of 40 is equals to, take LCM, 200 plus 5 upon में 200 raised to the power 2n. Now 41 by 40 whole cube is equals to 205 by 200 raised to the power 2n. Again write 41 by 40 cube as it is. On solving left hand side we get 41 by 40 raised to the power 2n. Now on comparing both sides we get 3 is equals to 2n. So value of n is equals to 3 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 years. So hence time is equals to 1 by 2 years.